at the third example. We have 1264 multiplied by 231. Now, we are going to do the same thing. So, step number 1, we need to arrange these numbers vertically. And we have said the reason we are arranging vertically is because we cannot multiply them when they are arranged like this. So, we are rearranging them vertically so that we can multiply more easily. So, step number 1, you have to arrange vertically. And don't forget, you are arranging according to the place value. Here we have 1264. Now, in this number, 4 represent ones, 6 represent tens, 2 represent hundreds, 1 represent thousands. In our next number, we have 1 represent ones, 3 represent tens, 2 represent hundreds. So, 4 and 1, they both represent ones. Therefore, 1 will come below 4. Then, 6 represent tens and 3 represent tens. Therefore, a 3 will come below 6. And 2 represent hundreds and 2 here also represent hundreds. Therefore, 2 will come below the other 2. Now, we don't have any other digit here, so we are going to leave it like that. Step number 2. We have said don't forget to put the multiplication sign. And we have said you put the sign on the left side, the left lower side, at that position. Now, after putting the multiplication sign, you can now multiply. So, step number 3 will be to multiply. And when you are multiplying, we have said you multiply all the digits above with 1, you multiply all of them again with a 3, you multiply all of them again with a 2. Therefore, we are going to start by multiplying all these digits with 1. And don't forget, we have said you cannot start multiplying the digits at this side because 2 represent hundreds. But you always start with ones. When you are multiplying, you start with ones. Therefore, we are going to start by multiplying them with 1. So, we have 4 times 1, we have 4. Then, 6 multiplied by 1 will be 6. 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2. And finally, 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Now, we multiply now with the second digit. And we have said, when you go to the second digit, you start at the second position, at this position. You have jumped the first position. So, we have 4 times a 3 will give you 12. We write 2, we carry 1. Then, 6 multiplied by a 3 will give you 18, plus 1 will give you 19. We write 9, we carry 1. 2 multiplied by a 3 will give you 6, plus 1 will give you 7. Then 1 multiplied by a 3 will give you a 3, like that. So we have multiplied all of them by a 3. We are left with multiplying all of them by a 2. Now we have 4 times 2 will give you 8. But now, you need to see that we are in the third number. So, we are going to start at the third position. We jump the first position, we jump the second position, we go to that position. So, we'll have 4 times 2 is 8. We are going to write 8 at that position. We have jumped the first and second position. Then 6 times 6 multiplied by 2 will give you 12. We write 2, we carry 1. Then 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. We add the one we carried, you have 5. And finally, 1 multiplied by 2 will give you 2. So we are done with multiplication. We go to step number 4, which is the last step. Step number 4, we have said it is adding up or finding the sum. Don't forget to put the addition sign on the left side, and then you can add the numbers. So we have 4. Because we don't have any other number here, so we are going to have a 4. Then 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Then here we have 2 plus 9 plus 8. So it will be 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 8 is 19. We write 9, we carry 1. Here we have 1 plus 7 plus 2. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 2 is 10 plus the 1 we carried, we have 11. So we write 1, we carry 1 again. We have 3 plus 5 is 8 plus the 1 we carried, you get 9. And we are left with 2. And that is the correct answer. So the answer will be 291,984. So that is the correct answer.